the makeup artist, because the director said so, has made me look up, like it was only in one film, but I did see it, has made me look 2 shades, 3 shades lighter than I am. People of the media, we, and not just actors, a lot of people who are in media always, we have a social responsibility by the end, because if you've given a platform where people hear you and follow you, then you need to use it for the right. It's the same way, like imagine I'm promoting, I do a movie where I show drugs are cool. Even in the end, I'm not showing I'm dying of drugs, I'm just showing drugs are cool. What am I trying to show? Drugs are cool. Like what am I like? And people will be affected. They'll be like, imagine girls seeing and be like, oh my God, she's lost weight because she's having drugs. I'm just giving example. So I'm promoting the wrong thing. So this is why you need to promote the right thing. And the thing is, problem is in our industry till now, even when I entered the industry, I realized once or twice it has happened that they were like, oh, you do your makeup wrong. And then I saw myself in the movies that the makeup artist, because the director said so, has made me look up, like it was only in one film, but I did see it, has made me look 2 shades, 3 shades lighter than I am. And then also the filters that they do later on the film. And you are just like, okay, I'm as fair as this other actress. How is it even possible? And then, also that happened because in our industry, till now, only the fair girls can be, fair complexion can be the main lead, because, hotness is considered dark, skin is considered hot only and not beautiful, and fairness is considered beautiful. So, and girl next door, and more pure in our industry, it's more pure, more pious, and that's what it comes. And and it's I mean, like you said, even the brands like the beauty brands that they're selling, the cosmetics. I remember one brand when I just entered the industry, got so pissed because I think we didn't check the contract properly, and it said that she'll do fairness, and I said no, I'll do brightness. Brightness and fairness is very different. I put curd on my face, yogurt on my face, not to look fair, but so my skin becomes bright. There's a huge difference. And they were like, no, you did this anyways. They said they'll do a case and all, which never happened, thank God. But the fact that you're only promoting, like I've seen ads like, girl is not getting a job, she puts the cream, she becomes fair, she gets the job. The girl's education and her mind doesn't matter. Nothing matters how good she is, that doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is what she looks like. Are you kidding me? Like, what are you trying to say? Her color matters. And like you said, like it is true, like in the industry it's there. And then I'm seeing like, they're trying to, like you said, the fair girls, they're trying to make them look dark. I don't understand. Like, come on, yeah, let the color be what it is. Yeah. And the more you travel abroad, the more and not because of work, in generally, for me, I've always been, because since college, save money, whatever. And I used to work in when I was in university, in UK, I used to work, because I mean, how else do you earn the money to pay for your tuition fees and all? And I don't come from that family that my father will take care and everything. So I remember, like, since then, everyone used to be, oh my God, how do you get that skin color? And I've always had this thing of saving money. And then at that time, there used to be cheaper trips, travel economy, and all of that with your friends. 4-5 girls stay together in one room. Now things have become different, and ever since then, like, it gave me the confidence that, okay, like anywhere but India, they really consider your skin tone really nice. And the more, like I said, like when I was saying even before, it's just, when you start accepting why are you insecure and what are you even insecure about, and start making those your positive, it becomes so much better. But also, when it comes to color, I think girls like you and I, we've been brought up in the society where we've been told that, oh my God, savli hai, muh pe doodh laga lo to become fair. उससे fair गोरे नहीं होते, उससे skin अच्छी होती है बस. Like nothing can make you fair. And now that concept of, I'm seeing like girls who have seen like they were darker than me have been taking, I know there's something called as those injections where you become fair, and I'm like, dude, can you like stop doing it? Like I lie down in the sun over here to get more color, and I'm so upset because I know by the time I start shooting, the color will go, you know. But I'm just so excited that at least you get color. It always look like we said, brown is beautiful. Like you go anywhere outside India, you come to Europe, the only thing they ask you is, how did you get this tan? Arey, sun loves us, yeah. We have the melanin in our body, and the sun loves us.
That is true. And then there's a hypocrisy around it too. Like you'll go around supporting a Black Lives Matter, and then you don't support your own brown color, which is there's an inbuilt hypocrisy in the industry that you can't.
You're so right. Yeah, you're totally right. I remember, I think Abhay, you all spoke about it. I really love him. I really love him. I really, 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 and you know, he's always been like that. I remember when we shot for Chakravyuh, he was very like a humanist, feminist, everything. You know, that's a man who should be feminist, not, you know, and just very subtly. And when he spoke about it, I was like, dude, you're so right. Like even I didn't think of it when he spoke about it, is when it came to my mind, and I'm like, now that's a real man.